To set up your Quickset tree, fold the foreleg stand out into an X shape. Turn the eye bolt into the stand just enough to ensure the legs can't fold back together. Insert the bottom section of your tree into the stand, then tighten the eye bolt completely. The center pole should extend straight up and should not wobble. Once the bottom section is fluffed, add the next section, labeled 2, and repeat. In Quickset trees, the light strings connect through the trunk, so you only need to set the sections into place and plug your tree into the wall to light it. The first time you assemble and shape your tree will require the most shaping to give the tree its full, lush appearance. Once your tree is plugged in, turn the lights on and off with the foot pedal. Decorate your tree and enjoy!